How to curve a ping pong ball? This is a common question. It is similar to how to spin a table tennis ball. Many new players ask these questions. Welcome back to Ping Sunday. Here is the way that the Chinese coach explained how to generate the spin and the power into the ball. Step 1. Generate the force from the legs. You should let your legs generate the entire force. First, the legs go down first, and rotate the body and hit forward. The legs will generate the upward force, then increase the spin on the ball. Step 2. Acceleration when you hit the ball. It is very important. You should accelerate the moment the racket hit the ball. To do that, you should squeeze the racket harder. Here is the full guide from the beautiful Chinese table tennis coach. Practice make perfect. See you in the next lessons.
正手下旋，首先是腿，是整个是从脚一直往上传输的力量。先是腿先下，然后就是膝盖去发力，蹬的一下，身体发力，去传递手，然后最后再收臂这一下比较关键。主要把身体发力一定要发好，才能拉出来比较冲的水平。 是一个传输的力量，然后去到手上的时候，把球摩擦住往前走，在手上要有这一下摩擦的力量，这个是很关键的。然后往前迎，如果光摩擦的话，掉的时候就这一下。但是腿和身体、腰腹一定要发上力。腿一定要使上劲儿，然后有一个摩擦的动作，手上有一个摩擦动作，向前，就是在这个摩擦基础上向前是爆冲。腿和腰腹一定要使上劲儿。